sympathy, antipathy, my legs wobble such a lot, so it's so difficult. That's right, but in a way, you still get the most out of the exercise, because the more the legs wobble, the more energy you put into keeping it still stable. And this exercise is about working. Yeah, that's why I said that's like climbing on a mountain, and that's why we do it so slowly, because doing this exercise quick is much easier. But if you want to experiment and then you start, and now do it still slower and still slower, you notice it's becoming more difficult and more difficult and more difficult. And the only thing which helps is to really concentrate on the leg, which slowly lets you go down and slowly brings you go up. So, yes, it's nice if the legs do not wobble, because then you feel, wow, I manage easily. But for the effect, creating this warmth in your rhythmical system, in your blood circulation, it is still of the same effect. And if it's too strong, do not hesitate to take a chair or a wall to do this exercise. Then it's becoming easier for the legs, very much easier. But as soon as you think, oh, now I can do it alone, do it again wobbling. Rather do it 1 or 2 times less, but you have created this energy aspect of this exercise.